Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to fix payment method declined on Google Play. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, to be able to fix the payment method decline, they are often caused by your balance or your payment method not having enough balance. So first things first, make sure that you have enough balance on the specific payment method that you are selecting when purchasing in-game item or a game. If that is not the issue, you could easily disconnect and connect it again by going to your payments and methods over here, and you could delete your payment method from your payment method that you have added here, and then you could add it again. By doing that, you may or may not be able to try to fix the issue with it being declined. And if this video helps guys, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.